everybody, welcome back to Techno Chachi, as always, where we speak about tech and the church. Thank you for the support, the great support that you've shown me on the channel, for the subscription, the comments, and some of you are even giving me ideas, and I really appreciate that. If you have not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. As you can see today, we are shaking things up a bit. You see, I'm seated, but we are shaking things up a bit. I hope that makes sense to you. Yeah, shaking things while seated. Okay. With me here is a white box. I'll be doing an unboxing session. We'll be unboxing the famous Sony NX200 camera, which I have been waiting for a while, and finally one arrived. If you know how the market has been operating during this COVID period, it has not been easy to get hands on certain equipment that you need when you need them. Okay, so today we'll just be focusing on the unboxing. I will not do the product review today. I'll do product review next week, but today just want to show you what you expect when the camera comes inside the box, what you need to expect when you get your shipment, when you buy the camera from the shop. Okay, if you're shipping from abroad, of course it will come with if you're shipping from abroad, doing your own shipping, of course it will come with the shipping box before you get to the product packaging. Okay, but we bought ours locally from one of the suppliers here in Kenya, and so that's the reason why you see it does not have whether it's the DHL or whatever company that supplies these products. Okay, so before we get to the unboxing, I'll just read a few things that the box written on the box. On the box, of course, it's written Sony solid state memory camcorder, meaning it can record using an SSD. Solid state simply stands for SS memory. Solid. So if you see SSD, it means solid state. It means solid state. Okay. It's written HXR NX200. It's a camcorder. It's not a DSLR. It's not a cinema camera. So we need to distinguish that so that you don't have expectations for it to start taking photos or for you to start getting certain features that are in cinema cameras in a camcorder. There are things that camcorder has that cinema cameras don't have. We will talk about that when you're doing the product review. Okay, so on the box here it's written 4K, meaning you can shoot up to 4K. Point one type. It uses a sensor. They call it XMO or CMOS sensor. I will talk about that in the product description as well. It's also written here. It's 24 times zoom when you are on HD. When you are shooting at 4K, you can zoom up to 18 times. Beautiful color. It's also written here. It has a 4-step ND filter. We'll talk about ND filters when we get to the product review as well. You have the dual SD memory card slot, optical steady shot, active mode, 4K XAVC, 100 Mbps recording. The other things are just some of the technologies that is here, like the XMO R sensor, the G, XAVC, AVC HD, progressive SD. That is the card you can use with it. Then it's written made in Japan. On the side is just a repetition of things and a few warnings of the batteries you're meant to use with it, and a few barcodes, and also you are shown how to carry the product. Yeah, what is written here is the same that is written here, so don't worry about me changing. On this other side, you are told the type of battery that you're supposed to use in detail. The NP, there's the F570 and the NP battery, which we will see, F970, and the amount of minutes you get when you're shooting. Yeah, that's it on the box. On top here is just a repetition of what is here, nothing much. And then there's the Sony logo. Of course, it has to have a Sony logo, and made in Japan as well. Okay, so are you ready to get in and see what's inside? Come with me, I'll show you. We'll now get to the opening part. This is how you open. You pull this one first out, then that, you see, then that, then this. Isn't that cool? That is so cool. That is so cool. So as you can see, these are some of the boxes that are put for protection so that it doesn't shake, just to hold the camera in position, and also to protect the camera from there's a term I'm looking for, from knocks, from even if it falls, the boxes absorb the pressure. Yeah. So that's the first box. You remove. Then that's the second one. Then this one has stuff inside, so I won't remove it for now because I want to show you what's there. So inside the box, the first thing you meet is the manual. The manual that shows you what you're supposed to do, and also some flyer that has some catalyst, something that I'm not sure what it is about. I'll know by the time we get to the product review. These are just manuals to give you a bit of the details. There's this manual for how to dispose all the electrical products. Same. You have 2 copies of the manual, and then this is now the manual for the camera. Yeah, you see how it looks? Sony logo, even there's a code there, and you get HXR NX200. All right, we'll know what an HXR NX200 means when we get to product review. You also have warranty, yeah, for product. Then there's a CD here. It's manual, so if you want a soft copy of the manual, there's a CD, which I think is a bit backwards. If you ask me, it's a bit backwards to use CD for manuals. It's a waste of resources. I think they would have done maybe a memory card, or send you to the website if you need, because everything that you get here is on the Sony website. So if they've already done the paper, I don't see the need for doing the CD. As a matter of fact, most people don't even use CD. I don't even remember the last time I used a CD, whether DVD or just a normal CD, to store anything or to watch anything. At the very top, we get the battery. Remember the batteries that we were talking about? This is the smaller version, the NP-F570, which Sony says gives you up to 150 minutes, depending on your settings, because when you're shooting on 4K and when you're shooting on normal HD, there's a big difference. 4K will of course consume more power. Yeah, so we'll get to know more about the batteries as well when you're doing the product review. There's this rubber for the viewfinder. Yes, I think it's called the viewfinder. I'll show you what a viewfinder is. There's this rubber here that is also part of the camera, but it's stocked separately so that the viewfinder, if you're the kind that peeps, can you see how I peep? The kind that likes to peep. Yeah, it doesn't hurt your eyes. So it's rubber. Okay, now we get to the camera itself. But before that, there is the charger for the battery that is wrapped. The charger for this battery. Let me show you how it fits. It fits like that. Then you get the cable, which you as the other cable. The other cable I think is inside here, so we'll get to see that when we get to how to set it up. Now to the camera itself, it comes with this bag. It comes neatly done. So you open the bag, you get to the camera. So this is the camera. It's an NX cam. Yeah, it comes with an inbuilt mic. It's an external mic, but it's part of the camera. And it comes. You can hold it. You can hold it like this, or if you are in motion, you want to hold it like this. That also works. Okay. Yeah, so basically that's the NX. The rest of the things we'll do in the product description, and I'll also tell you why I love this camera, what works and what may not work for me, because you don't get a perfect fit for everything you want. That is why they have different products for different purposes. Okay? The battery should fit here. Then you lock. If you want to unlock, there's this battery release button that you press, then you unlock. Okay? Yeah, so I love the weight. I don't know if they've written the weight. I think the weight is in the manual. We'll also do that when we're doing product review. But as for now, just time to admire the camera. It comes with a lens cap, which is detachable, but does not have anything to hold it, which is a big setback because it is very easy to lose it. We'll get to know more about that when we get to the product review. Today we were just doing the unboxing. Today we were just doing the unboxing, which we have done. Yeah, so I'll just mount the camera on a stand, then do a video on how it looks like. All right? Yeah, but before I go, there's something I had forgotten to show you. There's this other like a small box. Let's see what it has. It has the rest of the charger and a remote. So this is what you plug into the charger. Let me show you. For this, you can plug it directly to the camera, or you can plug it to the charger like that. It fits there. Then you can charge. Then this cable fits here, and you can charge. So if you are not okay with the two-pinned plug, there's a 3-pin plug that I had here. The 3-pin plug has disappeared. Yes, this. If you're not okay with this, which I think is a big plus, Sony giving us. I'm a huge fan of 3-pin plugs, because they are more stable compared to this. This one gets broken faster and it's a bit weak. This one is stronger and it fits our electrical standards here in Kenya. Okay, yeah, so that's it. There's something else I'm seeing here. That's the remote. I'd shown you the remote, right? Yeah. Beyond that, there is nothing much. Beyond that is just a box, nothing much. Okay? So, as I've said, it's an amazing camera. Those who have used it know how it works and the quality it gives. Hence the reason why it's even very not easy to get it in stock. Not very many suppliers have it, and so if you get one today, you have to wait for a while because manufacturers are also trying to distribute to everyone, and this camera is on huge demand. If you're planning to get not at an entry level, but also not a high-end camera that will help you with streaming and even doing your shoots for weddings and among other events, this camera is very versatile, and it's an amazing camera that you want to get. I would suggest you get this camera. The price is also fair for what it's offering. The price is fair, given it's a camcorder. Given it's a camcorder, the price is fair compared to its peers. The price is a bit fair, and the quality, I would say, will be much better compared to the peers, which we will talk about also in the product review. Okay, so from me, I say thank you for watching. I will mount this on a stand, on a tripod, then we'll just do a few clips so that you are able to see. All right? Kudos. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe so that if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, because once again, thank you for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. If you haven't clicked the like button, please click that like button, and also click the notification button so that whenever I upload a new video, you are in the loops. Share with your media teams. Let me know what you think. If you have used the NX200, let me know what you think about the camera. If there are any limitations, if there are any heads up, any settings that you think I need to put so that I can get the best out of the camera, let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, for me, it's an amazing day, and thank you so much. Thank you so much.